Yo, what's good YouTube? Skeng, it's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the music lab and I hitting and smashing and banging the people. You already know what time it is. Yeah man, that mafia, see what we do today. Yeah, we're in the music lab with an artist that's no stranger to himself. Yeah, Mr. Ratty Gang, the Ratty Gang boss, you know, Mr. Inner Paris, Mr. Mr. Man, I live like Rockstar. You don't know who I talk about Skeng. Yeah, man, Skeng there again, drop a new song and a video entitled Fever. We'll check him out and see what I deal with today. Yeah, man, that mafia, you know, cap on yourself. I made it to another video. I appreciate y'all love and support. Y'all been hitting the likes, y'all been subscribing, y'all been commenting. We're going strong over here. Like always, you should be seeing stuff on the screen. Yeah, man, I appreciate you guys. You don't know, the goal by the end of the year is 10K. We just hit our goal of 2K. Shot past that. Now we're headed straight to 10K. We're not going to stop at 5K. The vibes not stop. The energy not stop. We not stop. We're growing strong over here. So, and them I got vexed. Them I got tired for see face. You see me? So yeah, man, like we're saying, we're growing, guys. So if you're new to the channel, hit the like and subscribe button. Become part of the family, become part of the mafia. You know what I'm saying? The energy, the vibes over here are so nice and it's not stopping. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, you don't know over here, so we keep it all about the music. You know what I'm saying? React to music and keep it all about the music. And we'll be going live as well and talking about stuff going on in the, you know, in the entertainment music and all, and with some of the artists them around. You know what I'm saying? So definitely stay tuned for that as well. Stay tuned for the live. Check the community tabs regularly. Stay tuned for lives. We'll be doing live reactions and we'll be talking about stuff with the music, surrounding the music and all that. You know what I'm saying? So definitely stay tuned for all that. You know what I'm saying? So, like me I say, guys, today we got Skeng Fever. You just drop that way, check it out. You know what I'm saying? Hit the like and subscribe button. You know what I mean? We're not going to hold up the vibes much longer. Skeng, you know, I've just been saying Skeng been, you know, chilling a little bit. You know, and I drop much, but I drop a new tune, new video, hopefully on a month. So, once again, it's Skeng Fever. Let's get it. Whoa, they plan on man as dog. Move up, sure. And Fever, dog, you know, I was thinking like Fever. You compete with Cartel Fever, dog. I was sure you want to do that better. You know what I'm saying? But you see that I did. Maybe this is a film like a version, film like a spin on it. You know what I'm saying? So, but this look like it's gonna be a like a summer tune, maybe a girl tune. You know, must have a girl tune Fever, but you know what I'm saying? But that look like it's gonna be a summer vibe, you know?
Oh, which girl like to broad bumper? She have a man, must still want fuck that man. I then chop my cock stiff like
hey, my youth, I say you try to start off a strong problematic, bro. Yeah, a fight, you'll be a war, you want to go on for summer. The man tell you, who the girl with the fat bumper? She have a man, me still want that. Me no business. But you can't start off something like that, bro. You get people in trouble, that will be a fighting and nah, that.
Mom's pussy for
all the people in a relationship, man.
Not that many got to the girl make me get fever. Slap company G's, but they have to feel that. Let me see it, know ya cocky please. I start bad no bumbo club, man I like that. Just bump, let me see for your brace punk.
Yeah, the background man in this man, I like it. I like it and the beat and everything. There is a vibe.
Man, a gunman, when I got chop about that. Man, I'm frightened if I catch anyway, me get that. But if I'm rolling at the right spot, I just getting on the need.
But I'm not frightened if I catch anyway, me get that. You see me, but me rolling at the right spot. Hey.
Me, man, I need you, fuck, we choose your dog, no condom, when I need boots in the cute.
Whoa. What you mean you don't need condom, you don't need boots, bro? Hold on now, you're gone too far now, youth. You're gone too my youth, they can't just go chant it out, can't just go willing and chant everything, saying I better, hey.
Bar bones, all of my juice, is a mom's like you, I feel carry my youth. What are you, if you know, man, I rob and goes, now sugar coat, boy, like me, my talk truth, now fit if you girl, I know, man, I
want good, now sugar coat, nothing we talk truth, hey.
Don't make me up blues to me, no choose, senseless.
That's a come up, yeah, blues to me, no choose. Yo,
me at the girl them dead. Not too friendly or social in me. In a choke chop bars like Bembe. Daily she check me again.
Choke chop bars like Bembe. Hey, yeah.
Y'all not left me get me. I look come on, we are gonna Netflix. Man, I'm chillin' influence hard for pop pill. Sparks up, me want see if she got skill. Remove your shyness.
Man say, when I go watch on Netflix, me not chill. Me not chill. Later we go pop pill. You know what I'm saying?
Only show I need me, when I need you. Fuck we choose your dog, no condom. When I need boots in the cute like a baboon. All of my juice is a mom's like.
Man say, girl, I look cute like a baboon. Swallow my juice. What? What? Skeng. That's not a compliment, my G. What are you doing? Alright, enough of them now listen. I give you that, G. Enough of them now listen. So them skip past the word. Dog say, girl, you look cute like a baboon. Swallow my juice. That, yeah, that first me I hear that. First me I hear that.
You fuck we choose your dog, no condom. When I need boots in the cute like a baboon. All of my juice.
That's really what the man said, bro. No joke. That's real. Yeah, but I said, baby, girl, you look cute. And you look like an idiot too. So, you know what I'm saying? What's that?
This is a mom's like you, if you carry my youth. What are you, if you know, man, I rap and goes. Now, sugar coat, boy, like me, my talk truth. Now, fit if you girl, I know my dog.
Hey, man, say, nah, sugar coat, my youth to talk truth, you know, so, hey, can't even blame him. Yeah,
I was skinny toe, me boy up, blues to me, no choose. Man, eat hot, go to girl, make my catch fever. Slam it up in the G's, but the F feel that. Like you see it, name,
straight up in. Yeah, me. Hey.
Cocky please, or you style bad, no bumbo clap, man, I like that. Chest pop, like me see for your brace, bang top. Man, a gun, man, I got chat about that. Man, I frightened if I catch anyway, me get that. But if my willing at the rise, but I just getting, you don't need me.
Me no frightened if I catch anyway, me get that. But me willing at you. The right spot, girl, you get knocked.
When I need you, fuck we choose your dog, no condom. When I need boots in the cute.
Me not really stand for the one still, you know. Bro, you need boats, brother. You can't trust them little them GG. You mad?
Like a baboon, all of my juice.
It's a vibe, though, you know, boy, you know.
It's a mom's like you, if you turn my youth. What are you, if you know,
it's all up for the
now sugar coat, boy, like me, my talk truth. Now fit if you girl, I know my dog. Can't roll, skinny toe, me boy up, blues to me, no choose. Senseless.
Senseless. Okay, I get it. They went for the senseless girl. Yeah, man. Okay. They want to have a senseless because they. Hey, man. Any girl where that now listen to the tune properly. You know what I'm saying? They want to have the don't say girl. Okay. No, me I realize. Have the don't girl. Okay. Jealous. My bad. I come here with my morals and correct thinking. I apologize. I thought I missed the whole part of the song. You see me call fever, but this is for the dance girl. Alright, I say alright, Pan that, everything that makes sense now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, they want to for the dance girl. You see me? Yeah, man, you know I love me dance girl. You see me? Big up on yourself. The man said, "Girl, I look cute like a baboon." What? Skeng. I'm survive still. The song bad though. You see me, but girl, I'm gonna dance to this, shake to this, but they not listen to the lyrics or blow. I think that's why I did that, you know. Man say, yo, this sound bad. The girl might love it, and they not gonna listen to the lyrics. I'm just like chewing some little subliminal. You know what I'm saying? When I go listen to this song, everything I just said, literally, that's what the man said in the song, bro. And the man, they survive. The one I can get add to the playlist for the girl, you know, for me dance girl, you know. Yeah, man, I like the one that still survive. Big up yourself, Skeng. Very creative. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, can't I make dunks tune for the dunks youth them? You understand? I make the dunks song for the dunks girl them. I get it. I get it. Because the one time I did a pose them, I said, what the hell this thing? The girl them not listening, you I go, but how for the done said them? Because if you can, you say done said nothing, my dog saying that this not supposed to offend you, but please, you see me? It's just a fun and creative song. No, nobody should be taking it hard anyway. You know what I'm saying? Just a fun and creative song. I like it. You know what I mean? Skeng, this different. You know, you do your thing. It's a vibe, fever. But I wonder where that come with him, but that couldn't come with the same thing like that. You know what I'm saying? So, big up yourself, Skeng. You definitely do your thing. You know what I'm saying? I rate that. This I get added to the playlist. You know what I mean? Don't get them. I love the one. You know? Yeah, man. This one's dope, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Definitely show that some love and support. Like you know, sir, Jambisco and send you. You don't know. Till next time. Yeah, man. Let me know what's your favorite part. Drop your comments. Drop a request. If yours is chosen, I will also, you're going to get your shout out and all that, guys. You know what I'm saying? So, Yeah, man, we're going strong over here. Appreciate the love and support. Road to 10K. Hit the like and subscribe. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.